The Literacy Council is hosting its annual recognition event. It's our opportunity to recognize our community partners, our fabulous volunteers, and our very dedicated and committed learners. For every annual recognition event, we have a theme, and tonight's theme is Learning Gives Me Power. It's a great opportunity for our learners to express the passion and the enthusiasm they have for just completing the school year.
Before I was not speak too much English. And learning English gives me the power to speak to the people and to my friends.
The Literacy Council serves close to 1,600 learners a year with the help of almost 600 volunteers.
Oh, I get so much from my involvement with the Literacy Council. It's such an honor to be part of this organization. The students that I have from many, many countries around the world are absolutely amazing. I would like to emphasize, it's not just me alone. I could never have accomplished what I did without the help of so many people here at the Literacy Council.
No matter if you just started yesterday, everybody. So the Literacy Council of Northern Virginia has our main offices here in the James Lee Community Center of Fairfax County. And we actually hold classes throughout Fairfax County. We serve the low-level beginning learner for English language. So education, just getting a start so they can integrate into our culture and be welcomed into our community, this is so important. It is really the best thing we can give a new American immigrant.